How big can we go, you think?
Pretty much the same size, 212s.
Upon a subscriber request, we have the Tundra letter to go here in the tailgate, and check out the red inserts here on the grill. So because of you, I just ordered some 37-inch tires. Ever since wrapping the truck in the sky blue, the blue and the red just don't go together one bit. Plus it's ruining the entire like black and blue theme going on. So in today's video, we are going to be wrapping up the taillights with some tint to make them look a lot darker. Also, the new wheels should be here in a couple of days to get rid of that like milled insert glossy black look. We went matte black on the new ones with a little less offset too, so we should have a little more stance, which should look pretty good. And upon your guys' request to pick up some of those inlays for the tailgate going in the Tundra, that's going down today too, as well as I got some of the TRD inserts for the front grille. So first and foremost though, we need to head on down to the audio shop and get some dimensions measured out for the box they're building for the underneath of the rear seat. I'm hoping we can fit 12s. This truck needs audio so bad, dude. I didn't get the premium sound system, which I heard from a couple guys on YouTube that it's not even that impressive. And so you can only imagine what the one that's not premium sounds like. It's absolute trash, dude. That is the plan for today. First and foremost, let's head on down to the audio shop, get some things measured out, and then get back down to the garage and get rid of these super red taillights. Let's do it.
Super hooked up, so it's pretty loud.
I believe it. The wheels are sick though. I love these wheels. The fuel. Which ones are those again? I forget the name of them. The fuel. I almost got those. I forget the name of them, but they're super sick. I like the Rebels. That's right. That's right. I like the lights too, on the windshield right there. That's sick. And the bumper.
Desert shooting.
Oh, for sure. Lights, yeah, you need lights for sure. I need lights too. You're in a Tundra soon too, aren't you?
November.
We're trying. Oh, November. So you got one actually coming.
November.
Nice.
I'm just debating where I'm going to sell this or I'm going to keep it, but yeah.
I mean,
that's my next one.
It's kind of the best of both worlds, so you keep it.
That's what I'm thinking about.
Yeah.
I
think you should keep it.
This is dirty, bro.
Yeah, I've done a few things to it.
Seriously.
Now I just need some sound.
Are these lights original?
Yeah. Well, yeah, so they're original. I just tinted them. Right here. That's it.
No,
otherwise, yeah, that's actually the like lesser premium version too.
This truck is.
You can get a. Is it what?
It's the lower.
It's the lower. Yeah, it's the SR5. What are you thinking?
Pull this whole thing out of here. Have a custom box made. You're gonna lose your storage. You're gonna have to find another place for it.
No, that's fine. I barely use it anyways.
Yeah, but it's possible.
Cool.
Very possible, as a matter of fact.
Do you think we can do? How big can we go? You think?
Pretty much the same size, 212s.
212s, yes.
Yeah,
that's your
2.5-inch tweeter.
Okay.
6.5-inch speaker. Yeah, it is Toyota factory.
Yep.
And the best part about these trucks is they put 6x9s in the front door now, and then you got a 3.5 in the dash. Well, man, I'm gonna love working on this thing. I'm excited. I'm really excited.
It's kind of the test truck for what's to come on yours, huh?
Yes.
There we go.
Literally.
So once you build the box for this one right here, you can essentially start producing them for other ones too, right?
That's what I want to do.
There we go.
Because I'm buying the truck regardless. Did you level it?
3.5-inch lift in the front, 2 in the rear.
2 in the rear.
Yeah.
So you didn't put a kit, you put a leveling kit on it.
It's a leveling kit with new uppers in the front, yeah.
You're not gonna smoke these?
I'm doing that today actually, funny you ask.
Oh,
Like straight from here, I'm tinting those things today.
You're gonna do it, right?
Yeah, I'm doing it, yeah. Pull the taillight off the truck and then wrap pretty much just to that line right there, because beyond that it's like a black plastic already, so you don't need to do that part right there. Pull this piece off right here as well so I can get behind it, and dude, this thing is gonna look a million times better. So let's pull off the taillight and get right to it. Taillights are all cleaned up, looking good. Now we have two options to choose from right here. So I have this tinted vinyl wrap right here on the right, which is a dry application, and this right here is called Laminex. It's a tinted PPF, and it's super, super thick. So I'm not too sure if I even can tint something that has such a round shape to it. I don't have a lot of experience with PPF or tinted PPF or wet installations at all. It's kind of like window tint, because this right here, ideally you want to install it wet, which is kind of hard if it's super round. So I'm not sure how you, like, I don't have much experience like heat shrinking things that are wet, like window tint, and of course Laminex would like to be, you know, heated and also stay wet. So I'm not too sure how that would go, but we'll try it out. If that doesn't work out, then we'll just go back to the tinted vinyl wrap right here, which is a good look too, but this offers way more protection. It's a lot thicker, has a glossier finish to it. This does too. It's not much different, but I noticed it a little bit, so I'd rather do that, but if not, we'll use this right here, so no biggie. I say we get to it, let's try it. So the stuff does mold really nice with some heat. It takes a lot more heat than your average tint, that's for sure. But yeah, here's why it needs to be a wet application, because all the air getting stuck in there, there's no air release to it, so it all needs to be squeegeed out at the same time. So while I was heating and stretching and laying it down, I tried pushing the air out with my thumb, and it just trapped all the air right there. Way easier than I thought it'd be. In fact, it was even easier than a dry application. Totally. Wow, dude, what an amazing finish to it too. Yeah, overall, that was super simple, actually, like surprisingly. So the reason why I think it's so easy, or so much easier, is because the vinyl is so, or the material is so thick, so it takes a lot longer to heat up, but that means it takes longer to cool down too. So in my head, I'm thinking, since it's a wet application, once, like if it's wet, it's gonna cool down right away and then shrink back to its original form. And that wasn't the case whatsoever. Once you heat this up, you get plenty of work time, which is great, even when it's wet. So once it goes down, you just squeeze out the solution and it keeps its shape, which is amazing. Wow. I can't get over the finish of it. It looks like actual paint. Dang, check this out. Before and after. Jeez, dude. What a difference. It's gonna look so much better on the truck. Wow. That right there is what these taillights are supposed to look like, dude. The perfect tint, not too dark, not too light. Absolutely flawless, dude. I can't believe how good this came out, too. For a wet install, which I have no experience doing, that was super easy, super simple. High gloss, and it self-heals, too. So if you get scratches on it, the heat takes it right out, which is pretty cool right there, too. Now, upon a subscriber request, we have the Tundra letters to go here in the tailgate, which I think will look pretty cool to add to the whole black and blue theme going on, which now that I think about it, maybe I should have gotten the satin black finish over the gloss, since everything out back here is a matte black type finish. But I guess worst case scenario, we can always peel them off, redo them, or stick some matte black ones on top. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But let's see how these things look. I think it's gonna look pretty sick, so let's get to it. tailgate litter's in, looking good. I'm not sure if I love it though. Like, it's clean, it looks cool for sure, but is it too busy now? Not too sure. It definitely does look better with the smoked out taillights, but is there too much going on back here? Nah, it's cool. I think it's cool. It goes hard for sure, I think. Check out the red inserts here on the grill. Dude, I think that came out nice too because it's so small, you know what I mean? Like, if it was anything bigger, even the T badge right here, it'd be too much red. Since the TRD is so small, that red kind of goes with that blue all right. And yeah, if it was like the Tundra lettering down here, that'd be too much. I didn't go super dark, just a nice medium dark, so you can still see a little bit through there, because I don't like just like a big black shape for the taillights. Perfect amount of darkness to go with the rest of the truck. So yeah, dude, super uniform look going on here. I don't know why I'm so indecisive on the Tundra lettering right here. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Like, if I were to erase that, is that too plain? Does that add like kind of what we need? I kind of like the statement of, like, you know, Tundra. It's so loud and proud, so I kind of like that about it. I don't know, you know what? It's already kind of growing on me now, just looking at it for a few more minutes here. All right, I officially decided that's staying. That's tight for sure, bro. So yeah, overall, I mean, everything went on super simple. The taillight tint was really easy, as you guys just seen. It was even easier than doing a dry install, honestly. Shout out to my boy on Instagram for inspiring me to want to do 37s on my truck, because dude, after seeing your truck, I can't unsee a Tundra on 37s, bro. It looks so sick. So because of you, I just ordered some 37-inch tires that I'm picking up today. As always, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Till then, peace out.